how to transfer money from Philippines to USA. Now, first of all, we will use Wise. So if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on send money. And now select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippines. Now type it in the search, as you can see, Philippines. So after you select it, now select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the dollar. Type it in the search USA like that and select it. Now, after what you need to do, type how much you want to transfer, for example, $1,000. And as you can see, this is how much your recipient will receive. Now, after that, tap on bank with, pay with, for example, and select the payment method. In this case, it will be the bank account, and now tap on add recipient. Now, tap on bank details and select someone else. And as you can see, provide their email, the recipient bank details, and their phone name, routing number, account number, and account type, and the country. And tap on continue. And after that, your recipient will receive that money on their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to USA. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.